Hey cutie, are you ready to bring your that girl vision to life? This video offers a vision board full of visuals that will make your manifestation easier. But before we dive into the video, there are a few things you need to know. In the photos in this video collage, I don't want you to just focus on girls' lives, what they own, their bodies, or their beautiful skin and well-groomed hair. It's crucial that you see these visuals solely as a source of motivation to aim for better for yourself and to become the best version of yourself with your unique style. As you know, the That Girl profile usually represents a girl who wakes up early, works out, prepares a healthy breakfast, handles her tasks efficiently, and always looks well-groomed. You're absolutely right to want to incorporate these into your life. The That Girl profile might seem very cool and inspiring at first glance. Waking up early, exercising, eating healthy, getting things done, and always looking well-groomed. These sound great, don't they? And often these are exactly the things we want in our lives. However, there's another side to it. The unrealistic expectation of perfection constantly bombarding us on social media. Being flawless, successful, and organized in every moment in every area is almost impossible. No one can stay in that perfect mode all the time. We all have our ups and downs. If we forget this and only focus on the content we see, we create immense pressure within ourselves. That's precisely why I have a great suggestion for you. Redefine the That Girl concept for yourself. Start this practice not with what you see on social media, but with what will truly make you happy and feel good. The most important thing as you progress on this journey is not to fall into that feeling of inadequacy. You know yourself best. Set your goals accordingly. For example, you might say, I want to have a beautiful body. But the critical point here is to find what's healthy for you instead of chasing a perfect body image and getting drawn into unhealthy diets or eating disorders. Remember, being healthy is synonymous with beauty, and this can manifest differently in every body. Or constantly feeling the pressure to be productive or improve can eventually lead to burnout and anxiety. Life is a marathon, not a sprint. Sometimes stopping to breathe and slow down can be the greatest productivity. Therefore, it's very important to understand what's best for you and to define your own That Girl vision. Move forward not with others' expectations, but only with good feelings and genuine motivation. What do you say? Are you ready to embark on your own That Girl journey? Now, in the rest of this video, you'll see a collage of photos designed to inspire you and elevate your frequency when you immerse yourself in them. Once you've decided on your That Girl concept, I want you to focus solely on positive feelings. Don't get caught up in how it will happen thoughts. Just focus. Whenever you need motivation, you can access this video with a single click. You can even support your manifestation practice by doing this every day. I'll tell you about a few more steps you need to take at the end of the video, but it's better to start the practice now before the magic fades. See you at the end of the video. Kisses! Great! If you've watched this far, I sincerely congratulate you. This means you're putting up a spiritual fight for what you truly desire. So, what happens now? Remember, manifesting isn't a passive process. Be open to signs and inspirations from the universe and take action based on those inspirations. Don't obsess over when or how your desires will materialize. When your motivation drops, watch this video again and trust the natural flow of the process. Every challenge you face is a lesson preparing you for your dreams. As you solve these lessons, you'll achieve your desires. Take care. See you around.